Oh, this is just a wonderful picnic we're all having together.
Yes, I love it so much. And do you have the hiccups?
Yeah, I have the hiccups.
It's okay, but the babies look hungry because look, they're trying to open the gate. Hey, okay, calm down, kids. Calm down,
little
Calm
ones.
down. Okay, I think
I think we gotta get the bottle.
I think the toddlers want like cereal, so I'm gonna go get their cereal. I'm gonna get the babies and like put them down for a nap.
Okay.
There we go. Go to bed, hon. I'll give you some little. She is side sleeper, huh? Okay, the babies are down for a nap. I think these little guys are hungry too.
Yep.
Yeah, they look really hungry. Can I give them cereal?
Yeah, we can. You can give the little ones cereal.
Yay, I'm gonna go get their cereal ready. I got you guys your bowl of Cheerios.
Oh my God, what is this bee doing?
Get out!
It wants the Cheerios.
Get
Get out!
Oh my
Chew
God,
it out,
I spilled it.
Oh,
Oh,
no.
dead, but I smelled it.
oh, that's
just have to
okay.
clean it up.
You can get another bowl.
Yeah, I'll just go grab another bowl. It's okay, babies. Calm down. I'm just gonna give her a bottle.
Oh, thank God, they're calming down because of the bottle.
Yeah. Okay, this bee is just chilling there. Okay. You go
Guys,
grab a new bowl of cereal.
Should we?
Yeah, I'm just gonna go grab a
Should we
new bowl
put
of
these
cereal.
other foods away? Like, we're not really eating that. Breakfast
Yeah.
is kind of over.
Okay.
Oh, you're back with the cereal.
Yep, just got a new bowl of cereal. I'm not a mama, silly. I'm your auntie. Should we bring them out to eat?
Yeah, well, you can take them out if you want.
Okay, since you guys really want to come out. Oh, look at them. They're just learning how to crawl. Oh, she's tackling my dress. Oh, look at her. She's so cute. You're so cute.
Okay.
Yes, they are very, very cute little munchkins.
You two can have a lovely bite of cereal.
Here you go. Aw, so cute.
I think we should pack up, guys.
Yeah, it is getting late, and the babies are gonna go to bed soon. So yeah.
Yeah.
He's finished almost.
Okay, kids, come on. Let me take these two. Let's take these three. Put them
You
in
have the
stroller.
hiccups too, right? Yes, I have the
Yeah.
hiccups too. Okay, the babies finished all their cereal, which is good.
Okay, let me roll up the mat, ladies.
Yeah, sure, of course.
Okay, all done. Come on, let's go back home. It's been a long day.
I hope you guys have a good day.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
Yeah, bye.
Bye. Bye. Say bye, babies.
Bye.